So in this question, we've been given P and we've been given Q, and we've been asked to find P to the minus 1, which is the inverse of P. Now in your formula sheet, you are told that if you've got a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix A, then you work out the determinant value by multiplying A by D, C by B, and subtracting them. And then the inverse is 1 over that upon swap those elements, change the signs of those elements. So we'll do that for P. Okay, so first we're going to work out the determinant of P. So the determinant of P will be 4 times negative 9, those two elements. Take away 2 times minus 3, those two elements. So it's minus 36 plus 6, so it's negative 30. So we can then write the inverse of P is 1 over negative 30, which is just negative 1 over 30. And then we swap these round, so it becomes minus 9 and 4. And these change signs, so instead of minus 3 plus 3, instead of 2, minus 2. Now move on to part 2. We're asked to find x, where we're told P times x is equal to Q. Now this is building on, you should know now, if I multiply both sides of this equation by the inverse of P, so I go inverse of P times P x equals inverse of P times Q. We're supposed to know that if you multiply a matrix by its inverse, you get the identity matrix, which is a bit like the number 1. Multiplying by it doesn't change anything. So in effect then, we know that x will be equal to the inverse of P multiplied by Q. So x is going to be the inverse of P minus 1 over 30 minus 9, 3, negative 2, 4 upon Q, which is 6, 8. Now we have to determine the shape of x, so we're multiplying a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows, 2 columns, by a 2 rows but only 1 column. So the middle two numbers are the same, so we can do this multiplication, and our answer is going to be the outside numbers 2 by 1, so it's going to be a 2 by 1 matrix is our answer. Okay, so we know our answer is going to have 2 elements, 2 rows and 1 column. Okay, so this is in the first row, first column, so we multiply the first row by the first column. Minus 9 by 6 is minus 54. 3 by 8 plus 24. Minus 54 plus 24 is minus 30. And then this is in the second row, first column, so it's second row by first column. Minus 12 plus 32 is 20. So we get the answer, multiplying by the minus 30, we get 1, and then we get 20 over minus 2/3. So x is 1 minus 2/3, a simple column vector.